Welcome to Cooking Conspiracy, and tonight we're doing spaghetti carbonara, Italian classic. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright, let's cut up your guanciale. May not be saying that right, but it's just a pig's cheek. Now, if you don't have guanciale, you can use panchetta. If you don't have panchetta, you could use bacon. So for most of you watching, probably Americans, so that's probably gonna be bacon for y'all. Alright, so we got our water boiling. It is salted. We got our pan heating up here. Don't have to, but just a touch of olive oil. And then, over medium heat, your guanciale, or your pancetta, or your bacon, or whatever. Alright, so for your sauce, you get a couple eggs beaten. And then you got a quarter cup of parmesan. Mix that all in. A lot of people use pecorino, and pecorino probably would be better for this. But I got parmesan on hand, so I'm using parmesan. They're close enough that it'll work out. Now y'all, look at all that beautiful fat. And I just put a little bit of olive oil. You probably shouldn't have, because guanciale puts a lot of fat off. It's beautiful. Now when it's nice, a little bit crispy, you can turn your heat off for now. Now you got your pasta. And just, I didn't drain it all the way. Now remember, your pasta, this is why you went al dente, because it's still cooking right now. It'll cook about 2/3 of the time on the package. So you have about 3 minutes of cook time left. And then you're gonna let it cool down a little bit. Because you're not trying to make scrambled eggs here, you're trying to make carbonara.